In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove background in WhatsApp using AI. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp, then navigate to the chats page. Now click on this Meta AI icon. You will be directed to the conversations page. Here you're going to find the plus icon at the bottom left. Click on that. Now click on the option photos. Your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture for which you want to change the background or replace the background or remove the background. Now you can provide the prompt just to remove the background or also you can replace it with any other background and send it. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds and you're gonna get your result. So you can see that the background has been changed as I have given prompt to replace the background with nature. In case you just want to remove the background, you can upload the picture and give it a prompt like remove the background and it will simply do that and provide a picture without background. So this way you can easily remove background in WhatsApp using AI. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.